Okay, so in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to download Messenger. So if you're trying to download and it's not downloading, this is how to do it. Or if you're finding it difficult to download the Messenger app, this is what you have to do. First of all, go to your phone menu, then you scroll down to the P section, and when you find Google Play Store, then you tap on the Play Store app. After that, what you have to do is to wait for it to load. After that, tap on the Google Play, which is the search app. So when you tap on it, then you just type in Messenger. So when you type in Messenger like this, what you have to do is to tap on the search. Then after that, you tap on it. So this is a Messenger app, and you can just tap on the download or install button. So this is the install button. If you don't know, install, so this is it, install button. So you tap on it and it's going to download for you. So I've already downloaded it, so I have open and uninstall. So after downloading it, you are going to see uninstall and open. So after downloading it, you can tap on the open to use it. And in my next video, I'll teach you how to create an account, and it's really easy. If you have a Facebook account, it's going to link to it easily. Thanks very much for watching this video. See my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platforms. Bye.